Welcome to this new video, and in this video we're going to talk all about target deals and how to find amazing deals when they are happening at target.com. Right now it's October 6th and Target is having multiple deals, so this is the opportunity to jump in. Many people think that the only time that retailers are having great deals is during Black Friday or Prime Days, and on the case of Amazon, but that is so not true. Major retailers like Walgreens, Walmart, Target, pretty much every retailer out there has recurring deals on a cycle basis. What does that mean? Target may have these deals, for example, right now, and then they will go on pause for a couple of weeks. No deals. What? And then another deal comes in a different form. So let's go in to the deals. First of all, you want to type in something like Target deals, Target offers on Google, go to the first results and see what can come up. As you see, Target is having multiple deals. You just need to have Target Circle, download the Target app, sign up for Target Circle. Anybody can do this. For extra deals, you can sign up for a Target Red card, either a debit card or a credit card, which I highly recommend. It will give you 5% additional savings on whatever deals are happening. You'll get additional 5% off on top of that just by having those cards and making a purchase with them. So let's look for some toys, for example. Why toys? Because Target is having a special deal where you can save like if you spend $100 worth of toy purchases, you can get $25 off or a $25 gift card. I think it's a $25 off. Basically 25% discount on your purchase. That if you purchase $100. Now if you purchase $50 worth, you get $10 off, which amounts to 20% off. Obviously go for the higher amount if you can. Now Target does not have the $25 when you spend $100 offer on all toys. But for example, for Barbie they have it. And how do you know if they have it? You will see it right here being highlighted under the product. So just to give you an example on how this applies to online arbitrage. Most sellers out there are not very cognizant of offers by retailers, and what they do is they go to the product, they compare against the Amazon listing, and it's not they see on Seller Amp it's not profitable, and they skip on to the next. But they fail in the fact that they do not account for all these offers that are stacking up, discounted, their total gets discounted, and hence it becomes super uber profitable on Amazon. So always account for discounts, deals, 5% off with credit cards, cashbacks, all that shebang. Now here's a perfect example. I just added 2 products. And why did I add 2 products? This one had a quantity limit of only 2. By the way, these products are not profitable, I think. I haven't really checked them. They might be after all these discounts. I'm showing you as an example on how to stack up discounts. So this one has a limited quantity of 2 and we're only reaching $49.98. That means that we need to add an additional product. So I added this additional product. Now try to get as close to $100 as possible. So don't go way over that. Don't go $200 total, $300 total. No, because then your discounts become increasingly lower the higher you go. You always want to levitate as close as possible to the amount that the retailer is offering. So for example, here they're offering a $25 discount on $100 total. So if you can get to 101 or 100.50 or 110, that is going to give you the maximum amount of discount. If you go all the way over to 200, your discounts are going to be increasingly lower. Then what you're going to do is here you're going to see that there are offers available. and you're gonna click on them. As you can see, I've already applied 2 out of 3 offers. The other offer that is available is save 10 when you spend 50, but it becomes canceled because I already used take 25 when you spend 100, which is a better offer. And here on the checkout page, as you see, Target gives you the offer to ship out the multiple items that you bought in only one packaging. That saves them money, and they're throwing those savings to you. So you can get a $1 off extra if you click on that, which why wouldn't you? And you click on that and you get $1 extra. And here they will give you a summary of all the discounts. Now, bear in mind that Target has another offer that 15% off store-wide, and this is stackable. What does stackable mean? Is that it's not one offer or another. No, you can lump multiple offers while you are making a single purchase. So now you got $25 off of 100, so $25 is already yours, plus 15% of your total purchase, plus your 5% red card discount if you have a red card, which you should. Now, on top of that, Target is offering, if you spend $100 right here, earn a $15 reward. And this is through your Target circle. If you spend $100 or more, they will give you a $15 additional gift card. And you can go on view details. Basically, the only thing you gotta do to make this happen is activate the offer, which I already did, and it tracks your purchasing behavior. And once you make your purchase, they will put the earnings in your Target circle, basically on your app. That way, on your next purchase, you will have a free $15 off. So this is insanity because, for example, on this example purchase that I'm making, which should have been $109.94, now it is $109.94 minus $42.17, which is the $25 discount plus a $1 shipping discount plus a 15% site-wide discount plus a 5% red card discount minus the $15 gift card that I'm going to be getting with the additional offer. And that puts me at $52.77. If I divide that by my original amount, that is a 48% discount that I'm getting on my purchase just for stacking all of this, which is absolutely nuts. Because as somebody who's doing online arbitrage, if you're having basically a 50% sale on products, you can pretty much make any product work. The next question that you're probably having is, how do I find profitable products? Well, that is the $1 million question. There are multiple ways of doing that. So you can go on, first you're going to go on category right here, category, and then let's say you want to look for beauty, and you go to explore all beauty. And from there you go to deals, top deals, and you get to the beauty deals, and make sure to choose the option shipping only. And here you're going to have to go through the manual process of checking every single product, which if you have Seller Amp, you can open each one on a separate page, and then you can highlight the title, right click, it's going to open Seller Amp, and that's quickly going to, if it matches the product, first you find out if it matches the product, and then if it's going to tell you if Amazon is on the listing, then avoid it, for an example. Then you're going to check out the maximum cost, and obviously don't take this total, take as a rule like 40% off, 50% off based on the discount. Remember, Target is also having right now, if you spend $25 in beauty products, you can get $5 off. That amounts to 20%, which is almost as good as a 25% discount that you get in the toy category right now. And the same thing applies with the beauty category. You can stack up the 20% plus the 15% site-wide that they're having, plus the 5% red card, plus the $15 reward. So it will amount to 45% discount in the beauty category, or around 48% discount in the toy category. Now, Target has a few additional offers happening right now in bath, in bedding, in cereal and granola. So always be on the lookout to see what retailers are having and what type of stackable offers they're having. So method number one, which is extremely grueling and time consuming, is manually checking every product with Seller Amp. And you will find, especially when you have deals this big happening, some profitable products. Method number two is using a tool like Tactical Arbitrage. If you don't know what Tactical Arbitrage is, it's a great software. I use it all the time. You can get a 10-day extended trial by using the code DailyHernan, which I'm going to put right here. So if you want to try it out, there's a link in the description. Click that link. When you sign up, you put DailyHernan, you get a 10-day full free trial to try it out. And once you have access to this tool, it will automatically scan Target. It will automatically scan the corresponding listings on Amazon, and it will show you the profitable products. Basically, all this manual sourcing that you're doing yourself, the tool itself, you will tell it that there's a huge sale, 40% off, and it will take it into account in the calculations and will show you profitable products based on those calculations. Now, the third method is great. If you've been doing this for a while, you probably have a huge list of products that you have successfully sourced in the past. And what you're going to do with that list, you always come back to that. Those are your replenishable products that you can buy over and over. So let's say you bought a product 6 months ago and last time you checked, it's not profitable anymore. The pricing on Amazon went down. The cost on Target went up. Well, go back to all those Target.com products from your past and run the calculations over again, taking into account these discounts. Chances are that those same products from your list are profitable right now while the deals are happening. So always have a history of data that you can go back to and find those profitable products again. I hope this video helped a lot in thinking out of the box instead of seeing things as they are, black or white. See all the variables, including all the discounts, what's happening right now, the seasonality, and you will be able to find way more profitable products to resell on Amazon that you had in the past. Also, if you're interested in receiving my online arbitrage leads that I send to you guys every single day, make sure to sign up right now. I'm going to put a link right here. And I basically do all this work for you and send you the hottest deals, and you will be able to see clearances and deals happening in every retailer so you can source even more deals yourself. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and keep up the good work. I will see you on the next video, but in the meantime, make sure to check out this other video, which I think you're gonna benefit from a lot. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope this video helped a lot, especially since this is the best time to source online for product.